So now let's talk about Darwin's finches. In 1835, a man named Charles Darwin sailed to the Galapagos Islands off the coast of South America. There, he drew pictures of and documented all kinds of plants and animals that nobody had ever seen before. There, he found a special kind of bird that had so many different characteristics. This bird is called a finch, and he ended up finding 14 unique kinds of birds that were finches on the island. They had lots of differences that allowed them to all survive together. The main difference was their beak size and shape. Their beaks made them better adapted to the different kinds of food that they ate on the island. Some of the finches ate fruit, and they had large, soft beaks to help them grab and crush berries. Others had long, skinny beaks that helped them dig for insects in the dirt or in tree barks. Other finches that ate cacti had long beaks that were also thick so that they could get past the thorns and still tear apart the flesh of the cactus. And some of them ate seeds and nuts, so they had thick, hard beaks to crush their food. If all the finches on the Galapagos Islands ate the exact same thing, they would be competing too much for their food and they would all starve because there wouldn't be enough of one kind of food to feed all of the different kinds of birds. And if their beaks were all the same shape, they wouldn't be able to eat the different kinds of food, so they would only be limited to one food source. In this case, them having diversity allowed them all to survive. But what if there was a drought that killed all of the fruit plants? All of them. What would happen to the birds? Now, some of them only ate fruit, so the birds that could only eat fruit would definitely die if they couldn't eat anything else. But there were still 13 other species that ate things other than fruit. So there would still be 13 species of finch out of 14 that would survive. Having that diversity allowed for the whole group to survive, even if a few of them died off. Because of this, the more diverse an area is, the longer the community will be able to survive and thrive, even when bad things like droughts or fires occur. Because there is diversity, they have multiple options. And even if only some survive, their population can go on.